Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to my channel, The Daily DIYer. If you're looking for inexpensive gift ideas that you can make and give this holiday season, I have 10 ideas for you, all using supplies from the Dollar Tree. So the first one is a post-it note gift set. I'm using a acrylic frame that I got from Dollar Tree in a 4x6 size, and I'm cropping down a printable that I just designed on my computer and then cut down to the 4x6 size so that it would fit within that picture frame space. You can also really personalize this project by adding their name or a monogram right here. And once you have your design cut down to size, you're going to remove the inside of your frame, flip it upside down, and then insert your new design. Then you can remove the back of your post-it notes, attach it to your stand, and then pair it with a cute Dollar Tree pen. This one was really pretty. It had little rhinestones on it. And then to make it a really cute little package deal, to make sure nothing came apart and it all stayed together, I just twisted it all up with some twine and tied a simple bow. This next gift idea will take you no time at all to create. I'm using a snowflake ornament from Dollar Tree and hot gluing on one of their lotion bottles and tying it up with some twine. So like I said, this doesn't take very long at all, but the extra little bit of thought process that you put into it makes it super special. This would also be really cute paired with a gift card. I really love Dollar Tree's dinnerware. It's actually pretty good quality and it comes in handy for lots of things, including gift ideas like this one that I'll share. And all I'm doing is adding Oracle number 651 red vinyl in a monogram onto the plate first. And then next I'm adding the last name. I'm also putting up the fonts on the screen, so if you want to recreate this you can if you have a vinyl machine. And I'm just layering my vinyl so that the name is in the middle there. And then I have a plate stand or a photo stand that is also from Dollar Tree that I'm pairing with it, and that just makes a cute little stand. And like you can see here, I used red for my monogram. I use red a lot because it's great for Valentine's Day, 4th of July, Christmas, and so it kind of works out to be displayed year round. I love this mug. I actually made it a couple years ago and I still use this mug today, whether it's for hot or cold beverages. It works really good and I love it. So what I'm doing here is I just created a design on my vinyl machine. Again, here are the fonts that I used. I also put my name on the front, but of course you can add your recipient's name onto the front and that gives it a beautiful personalized touch. I'm just personalizing this mug with my vinyl. I do get a lot of questions whether you can wash this or not. You can hand wash, but do not put these into the dishwasher as it just gets too hot in there. Once you have your decals applied to the front, you can also pair this with a gift card, or Dollar Tree also has coffee that you could pair it with, or make a coffee type gift basket and pair these all together with a few other extra little goodies. I also love these glass jars from Dollar Tree. I've made so many different things with them, but today I'm going to show you how to make a gift set, a baking type gift set. So basically this is just kind of like a dump and go type gift. It couldn't be more simple. The ingredients are all from Dollar Tree too, including the fudge brownie mix. I'm adding some chocolate chips on top, and to give it more of a Christmas look, I'm crushing up some peppermints in a plastic bag and then adding those to the top as well. So no matter what delicious dessert you add into your jar, you want to make sure you include directions on how to cook it. So what I'm going to do here is just transfer the ingredients as well as the baking directions onto a Dollar Tree gift tag and tying that around onto the glass jar. Time for our emoji of the day, which is a snowflake. So help me decorate the comment section below and leave me those snowflake emojis. If you don't have emojis, you can also just leave the word snowflake in the comments below. I am loving the craft section at Dollar Tree. They had these really great chalkboard stands that I decided to turn into a menu board. So here I am just taping off the chalkboard part and using my traditional burnt umber acrylic paint to paint the wood part so it would have more of a wood stained look. Here I am adding a white vinyl decal to the top that says menu, but if you don't have vinyl, you can also use a white paint pen and then write whatever word you'd like for the top. You can come follow me over on Facebook and on Instagram for even more holiday ideas and inspiration. I'll make sure to link that down in the description box below. And then to keep my chalk from rolling around or getting lost, I'm hot gluing a clothespin down onto the bottom there. That way I can clip my chalk right there, keep it handy. It also makes for a nice gift. This cute picture stand is made out of two simple items from Dollar Tree, and a sign that kind of has a base on the bottom is the top part that we're going to use for the photo. So I used my hairdryer to heat up the sticker on the back to remove it, and then the entire thing got 2 coats of white chalk paint. The other main item you'll need for this is a glass candle holder that I also gave 2 coats of chalk paint to. At the top, I'm going to be adding a burlap bow, so I thought I'd kind of help walk you through how I made this really simple bow, just so that you can also recreate this. So you can see I'm just creating loops with the ribbon and kind of holding it in the center with my thumb. So you'll see here, I'm taking one of the ends, creating a loop, and then in the back, creating another loop, and then I'm not cutting this apart yet. I'm keeping this all on the roll. This kind of helps if you have to make your bow bigger or smaller. Once you have the sizing right, I'm using some jute, and I'm going to show you how to crease the center of your bow by pushing down into the middle and pulling the sides back. This is creating a nice creased center. This not only keeps your bows loopy, but it also makes you have a nice center, because we're going to be wrapping the middle with the jute a few times, and this will make sure it still stays looking nice. So once we have it wrapped a few times, we're going to tie a knot in the back, and then after that you can cut off the excess tail with your scissors. Now I'm just using some hot glue to attach the bow to the very top, and then a clothespin right underneath that where we'll be able to clip our photo to. But for the base, I'm using my E6000 glue. This is a much more permanent type adhesive, so I just added lots of that onto my candlestick and then applied the sign right on top of that. You do want to let this sit for 24 hours so that it can cure all the way. This is such a fun project. I had so much fun doing this. I'm using a wood burning tool. I'll also link this down in the description box. I use this to heat seal my ribbon, and you can use it for things like this, like wood burning. So what I have here is a Dollar Tree cutting board, and I took a pencil and created a design on my cutting board first. Once I was happy with my design, then I used the pointy tip that the heat or the wood burner comes with. It comes with several different tips and ends, and it will give you different kinds of looks. And then you just kind of go at your design and trace it, going slowly. The more you press down, the more your wood will burn. I love this. This is definitely a staple in my craft stash, and like I said, I'll link this one that I use down in the description box below. This one is so simple and so cute, and if you needed to make several of them, you could do them very quickly. So obviously I have 2 candy tubes from Dollar Tree with the little chocolate candies inside, some eyeballs. You'll need a pom-pom, red one, and some brown craft paper or some cardstock, and also some tape. So I am taping my candy tubes together first, and then wrapping my paper around the middle and taping that into place next. Then I'll flip it over and I'll give my little reindeer guy his eyes and nose. This next one would make a super cute treat, or even be cute for a Christmas type breakfast. And I have a pack of donuts from Dollar Tree. So you actually get, I believe, 3 of these in a pack. So these are so inexpensive, and they look like little stacked snowmen. So what I did is I just used some black and red felt to give him a hat and a scarf, and then I drew on his little face with a Sharpie marker. It could not be more simple. It's really special. It definitely would bring a smile to someone's face. Give this video a thumbs up for me and let me know down in the comments which one of these gift ideas was your favorite. If you haven't yet, please subscribe for weekly DIYs and tutorials, and I'll have even more Christmas DIYs popping up on your screen that you can check out next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.